Today is the day, Oliver. We are going falls.
Is it far, Grandpa? Can I carry the compass?
Exo. Be careful with it. My father gave that to me. It always points north.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Oh no! Grandpa, I'm so sorry.
The glass is broken, Oliver. Look, the needle is spinning. It doesn't stop.
Now we don't know where north is.
A tool is broken, but our brains are not. Look around you.
So if the sun is west, then east is behind us?
Correct. And if west is on your left, then north is in front of you.
Grandpa, look, the path splits. Is it left, right, or straight?
Let's stop here. To find the way, do you remember them?
I think so.
Do you remember now?
I see it. It is behind the forest.
Good. Now, look between those two pine trees. Do you see the small wooden sign?
Yes, it is next to a large gray rock.
Exactly. Now, listen carefully. Must walk through the tall grass. Then, we go under the old stone bridge. Finally, we walk up the hill.
So, we don't go around the hill?
No. If we go around the hill, If we go around the hill, it will...
That's it. That.
You are using your words perfectly. Let's go.
We made it without the compass.
You used your eyes and the map. We just do everything backward.
So, we walk away from the water house?
You're a natural navigator, Oliver. Good job, Oliver.